Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about the first book I read on investments. We are diving into the world of finance with a book that's been making waves in the UK investment scene. It's called Investor for Beginner, a simple, succinct and comprehensive guide for UK investors by William Pembroke. This comprehensive guide, released on 26th April 2023, is aimed at aspiring investors looking to navigate the financial landscape of the UK, build wealth and secure their financial future. This book spans 40 concise chapters and covers various topics. You can read about 2 to 3 hours. From setting financial goals to understanding risk, exploring multiple investment strategies, and mastering investor psychology, you can easily read in one day. For example, if you are a young professional named Alex or Claudio who just started earning, Alex wants to invest but doesn't know where to start. This book guides Alex through setting finance goals and understanding the risk associated with different investment options. This book explores various investment options, including stock, bonds, property, and alternative investments. It also offers insight into tax strategies, fees, and UK investment accounts. Again, imagine Alex decides to invest in stock. This book provides a detailed guide on navigation the stock market, understanding company, financial, and making informed decisions. One of the book highlighted is its thorough examination of passive and activity investing and the pros and cons of each. It also discusses strategies for managing investments in calm and turbulent markets. For instance, remember during the 2020 pandemic, many investors panicked and sold their stocks. But the book advises how to stay calm during such turbulent times, make rational decisions, and more. Sorry. So, what did I learn from this book? Investing for Beginner by William Pembroke is a treasure trove of knowledge. He taught me the importance of setting clear finance goals and understanding the risks of different investment options. It opened my eyes to various investment strategies and the psychology behind them. Lastly, the book emphasizes the role of behavior financial in making sound investment decisions and provides expert advice on retirement, planning, investment for children, and building a solid investment plan. All in all, this book is a comprehensive guide for everyone looking to start investing, like me. This book also is available in both paperback and audiobook format. The audiobook, released on 14th August 2023, is narrated by 𝐘o𝐮'𝐺𝐿. Also, this book received positive reviews for its unique blend of experience and wit, making a must-read for novice and seasoned investors.
If you're interested in purchasing investing for beginners and want to support the channel, use the affiliate link in the description below. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. Your support helps and motivates me to continue bringing you more content like this. Thank you.
Thank you for joining for this week books review. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more insightful reviews and discussion about some of the best books out there. Remember, reading is not just about getting lost in a story, but also about discovering new perspectives and ideas. This week's book gave us a lot to think about, and I want to leave you with a powerful quote from it. Remember that fortune may favor the bold, but it also favors the informed. Keeping this in mind as you go about your day, be bold in your pursuits, but also make sure you are well informed. Until the next time, happy reading.